Hello everybody, I am Niranjan from Logical Solutions Limited. Today I am going to throw a glance on the new enhancement of SOLIDWORKS simulation in 2024. These are the enhancements in SOLIDWORKS simulation. The first enhancement is automatic saving of a model file. Up to 2023 versions, there was no automatic saving of a model file. Means after meshing, we have to save. And after analysis also we have to save. If we forget to save due to power outages and due to data loss, everything, the file may get corrupted. So to avoid that, we have provided an option called save file after meshing and as well as analysis. So automatically after meshing the file is saved, and automatically after analysis the file is saved. Excluding mesh and results when copying a study. In 2023, when we want to copy a study, by default it copies the mesh also. But now, if we want to include mesh, then we can include. If we want to include results also, we can include. If we don't want to include both, we are only limiting the copy up to the material properties or some things. We can exclude mesh and as well as results. These can be accessed in two ways. One is in the default options at the beginning itself, and while in the property manager at the time of copying the study. Let's proceed to next enhancement. The next one is direct Sparse solver retired. There are 4 types of solvers in SolidWorks: automatic, FFE+, Intel direct Sparse and direct Sparse. In 2024, the direct Sparse solver is removed, that means it is retired, and the characteristics are assigned and imbibed for Intel direct Sparse solver with an improved algorithm and accuracy. The next enhancement is enhanced bearing connectors. In up to 2023, you can see the difference. In bearing connectors, only the torsional stiffness is provided. But here, 2 additional options, that is torsional stiffness and as well as distributed coupling is provided. Here, the tilt stiffness is provided to stabilize the shaft rotation in a precise way. Previously, the torsional stiffness was an automatic option, but now the torsional stiffness has converted to user-defined option. Next enhancement is about bonding interactions for shells. Generally, this option is completely related to coarse mesh mostly, and here there are 3 shells, 1 set and 2 set. Between set 1, the gap is 1 mm, and between set 2, the gap is 1.1 mm. Previously, if we want to go for a bonding interaction, software automatically takes the bonding interaction between the maximum gap. That means automatically it takes 1.1 mm. Whether it is feasible or not feasible, even though it is error also, it takes 1.1 mm. But now it is a user-defined option. It's we, the user, who sets the maximum gap. If we set the gap to 0.8 mm, then the gap equal to or less than 0.8 mm, the bonding interactions are formed. Software neglects the 1.1 mm and 1 mm. So the next enhancement here. Convergence Check Plot. This is a new option introduced in SolidWorks 2024. What is convergence first of all? Convergence means while during solving or meshing, if the meshing is continuously given, it shows slight negligible difference in the results. In some specified analysis, that negligible difference also makes large difference. So at that time, the convergence issues comes, and solver encounters the convergence issues, and that convergence issues is plotted by using the Convergence Check Plot. Next enhancement is decoupling mixed free bodies. This option is exclusively for frequency, linear dynamic, harmonic, random vibration and response spectrum analysis studies. In this, the decoupling of mixed free body occurs with respect to rigid body when it is formed, and the improved algorithm detects and decouples the mixed free body and gives precise mode shape of a rigid body. And this is followed by the next enhancement, that is the mixed body shapes files formed here, that is exported to another analysis also by using the .out file. In the same dialog box itself, two options are provided. You can see in frequency decouple the mixed free body modes and as well as export mode shape data at the bottom. Next enhancement, mesh performance. Here the mesh performance, the time is reduced by identifying the identical parts, and by using the blended curvature based measure, the similar mesh is imposed to multiple identical parts. This uses the same mesh and the time is considerably reduced. Next enhancement, performance enhancements. This is completely related to the solvers. By using the improved algorithm of Intel Direct Sparse equation solver, the enhancement is improved. This is used in stress calculations of larger linear dynamic studies. Earlier, what used to happen when we are solving, entire 100% coupling nodes are not get solved. Only a subset, that means a 40 to 50% of the coupling nodes, that means a subset is taken and it is assigned to the entire model. We never used to care about the remote rotations and as well as remote displacements. But now, due to the improved algorithm of Intel Direct Sparse equation solver, 100% of the coupling nodes are solved, which reduces the solution time and increases the productivity. Next enhancement, the last one, that is the under constraint bodies detection. This option is provided previously, but the enhancement here is, earlier we were unable to copy the results to different clipboards. We were unable to copy, but now the enhancement is we can copy the clipboards. We can copy the clipboards to Excel, Word, etc. And we have a expanded readability option in the results in the property manager. And in addition to these, to view the under constraint bodies, we have high quality graphics and as well as animations to highlight the bodies. This is all about the enhancements of simulation.